Hey guys, this is Mike with Auto 8 Collision. Today what we're going to talk about is how do you read that estimate to make some sense out of it. I'm sure there's a lot of jargon in there that when you read through, you have no idea what that means. So I'm here today to show you exactly how that's done. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go. Let's dive into this estimate. I'm going to explain to you the details of this estimate. So first and foremost, when you get your estimate from the body shop, on the very top after your name, you're going to see the name of your adjuster and his contact info. It's really important to know that information just in case later on you have some questions for your adjuster, you know who to call. Next, it's going to show the claim number. The claim number is what you, the body shop, and your attorneys use to make sure that you all are talking about the same case, same file. The last on that top section is your deductible. That shows how much you owe when you have to pick up your car from the body shop. The deductibles sometimes vary anywhere from $0, $250, $500, $1,000, or $2,500. And that means that deductible is your share, your part of the responsibility of repairing your car. So going on to the next section is the description of your repairs. So usually on the top left under operations you'll see it says remove and replace. What does that mean? Well, remove and replace means they are going to take your part of that car off your car and going to replace it with a brand new part. That's called a remove and replace. If you look over to the side, there is an OEM or recon or aftermarket, A&M. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. That means it's a part that's coming directly from the dealer to your body shop, and that's an original part from the dealer that is brand new, that's going to go on your car. A reconditioned part is a repaired part. That means that part was repaired somewhere by someone and is reconditioned and is being put back on your car. A&M stands for aftermarket. That is for a part that has been copied overseas, sold to most body shops around town, where it's cheaper, it doesn't fit exactly right, it replaces the original part, and they use that just to save money on parts put on your car. Sometimes that's dictated by the insurance company, and sometimes the body shops just go ahead and choose to put an aftermarket part just to save some money and rather using an OEM part. The next item on the list that you see is called remove and install. Our terminology is R&I. Remove and install means certain components on your car has to be taken off before they can access another component that's damaged. Then they can put that same part back on your car. Therefore, it's called remove and install. They are removing your old part, and when they're done repairing the rest of the car, they will put that same part back on your car. This is the non-damaged part, not the damaged part. And the next item on your list, you'll see it says repairs. What repairs means is the part that had to be repaired. If the insurance company required you to repair that part, or if you chose to repair it, if you're paying out of pocket and you choose not to pay for a brand new part and you want the body shop to repair that part, that is a repair line item. If you go across to repair, it shows the labor, which is how long it would take to have that part repaired on your car. Alright, on the next page, on the labor category, you'll see labor body, labor refinish, labor mechanical. On the labor body is how long it would take in regards to labor hours to completely do all the body repair on your car depending on your damage. Labor refinish is how long it would take to prepare the car and paint the car depending on its damages. And labor mechanical is how long it would take to repair the car that pertains to any mechanical components. Engine, transmission, suspension, anything mechanical that's outside of the body repair. If you look over to the side, you will see the labor rate that the body shop is charging either you or your insurance company. For the labor body and labor finish, in this example, it shows at $48 an hour. For labor mechanical, usually higher, they're charging at $95 an hour. If you scroll down further, on the estimate versions, you will see original, supplement S01, and supplement S02. What that means is original estimate, where when you dropped off your vehicle at the shop, they went ahead and looked at your car without any teardown and wrote an estimate, or the insurance company adjuster came to the shop, looked at your car, wrote an estimate, and that was the original estimate that they came up with. Then the body shop was authorized to have the repairs done. They start taking things apart, and as they start taking things apart, they realize that there are other panels, other components, other subparts of the area of damage has other additional damages. Therefore, that's called supplement S01. That's supplement 1, in which means other additional repairs that had to be done on the car has been written as an estimate and submitted to the insurance company for additional authorization. Sub 02 is again same as sub 01, additional findings after sub 01, where then they had to submit for the insurance company to approve before the car could be completed. So you have multiple supplements that can be submitted to insurance company, and insurance company reviews the photos, sometimes sends someone out to the body shop to look at the areas of need. They will then authorize the repairs, and obviously they will send you a check. If you look over to the right across from original supplement 1 and supplement 02, you'll be curious to know why a couple of them do not have a parentheses and one of them does. The one with the parentheses means that the insurance company is going to actually discount and not pay additional money for sub 2. It could be that there are certain parts on supplement 1 that was not needed to be replaced, and in supplement 2 we informed the insurance company that there will be parts that will not be used, and therefore those parts will then be reflected on supplement 2 and therefore credited back to the insurance company. Again, a lot of body shops, sometimes they do not share that information with the insurance company. They choose to eat the money that was supposed to be used for parts on the car that was never used, but we always make sure that our parts are used. If there are any parts that were not used, we'll inform the insurance company and let them know that there were parts that are not used, and therefore they can get credited for those parts. And last but not least, on the last item is the insurance information, which is the name of the insurance company, the date of the insurance company authorizing the repairs, and whatnot. So again, I hope this video was helpful. It'll give you a better understanding of how to read your estimate. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment below, and please like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and there'll be more videos to come. Thank you.